doing me like this now? Why you doing me like this? Mama, please, I begging you now. Mama, please. Not to leaving me. You know you coming here because of me and your granddaddy child. Eh? Not because of Mama Ejike. Leaving her. Please, I'm begging you.
Ego, please. Stop asking me not to leave.
Let me tell you.
If I knew that woman was coming here, I would not have been here. Now that she is here, let her stay.
Mama,
I must leave.
Listen,
how do you want
you remembering that time I small. You leaving me and nothing finishing school. Now you leaving me again. I nothing knowing how to train your granddaddy child now.
Let her do it. Let her go.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my mother. Keep me quiet. Let me talking to my mother.
Oh dear.
Mama, please, I'm begging you.
Let her go. Pack your things and go.
See, you're not knowing you. Talking to your mother, I'm getting angry now.
Mama, please leave.
Your mother, you're not knowing me.
I know you.
You're not knowing me. I'm getting angry now. I'm showing you the other side of me. I see your son.
I know you. You're a prisoner. Ex and former.
Mama, she's going to eat.
What you calling me?
Mama, you see, I told you. Mama, she will hit you.
So you let her hit me?
Mama, she didn't hit you. She almost did.
Hey! So they didn't just turn you into a doll baby robber. They equally turned your heart against your mother.
Mama, please go.
I should go.
Yes.
Leave my own son's house. And you, what are you still waiting for? I thought you were packing to leave.
Mama, leaving her, rooking me.
Mama, if there's anyone who should go, it's you.
Thank you.
Leave my own son's house.
You see why I calling you my husband? You see why I marry you? In fact, for this particular talk you're talking now, this particular thing you're talking now, I'm giving you 2 hot round this night. I'm giving you two hot round. Yes, nah. And I adding it hot
Mama,
carry fish pepper soup for you.
Mama, please go.
Inyono, look at what you married. You're asking me to leave. No problem.
Talking to your mother, you know. Talking to your mother.
It's okay now.
You shouting me and changing the to 2 hot rounds.
Hi. What have I done to Ma? What have I done to Ma to deserve this harsh punishment? But I told her how I was feeling. Yet she had the mind to abandon me here and walk away. And she knows it has been long. I am a baby. How am I going to survive this now? Hey. Okay. I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do. She will not escape this.
That should go to the guest room as the visitor she is, insisting that she must stay in this room. I'm tired of sharing, and you chose them over me. I'm leaving your house.
Mama, you still talking? Huh?
I'm leaving this house. You chose them over me.
Mama, I didn't mean it that way now.
What do you mean? Oh, because they promised you honor if I want to. That was why you denied me here and now.
You must understand that this woman is a stranger and she only came to help. She will leave.
Strangers, where do they stay? They stay in the guest room.
Mama, you're supposed to make your stranger comfortable. Yes. You're supposed to make your stranger comfortable.
So they have turned you into a doll baby? Manipulated your heart against your mother? Anyway, no problem. Thank God I have my son. I have Uchenna.
What does that mean?
What it means is that since you denied me Judas Iscariot, my son has accepted me.
So you are indirectly telling me that you're not the one that gave birth to me?
I gave birth to you, but you have found another mother.
No, you need to tell me the truth. Okay, say Uchenna is now your son. Then what am I doing then?
You told your wife clearly that she should have hit me. If I was truly your mother, will you ask your wife to hit me? Will you say that? No, look at me in my face and say, will you say that? Continue. What is that? You're looking for my trouble now. Anybody can cry for one. Have I not given you? Irigono. Continue. I'll tell Luciana everything. I'm gonna move.
Kill your conscience, fears no accusation. Kill your conscience, fears no accusation. I'm your being your chair, on the atmosphere. So stop, this your busy body. Stop, this your evil act. Makane buachala nuwa, achala neto. Wanem, abuluni chalino. Anobana kibamuna, abuluni chalibaba. Check it bafuna, malumi ba malogi. Anobana kibamuna, abuluni chalibaba. Check it bafuna, check it bafuna. Anobana kibamuna, check it bafuna, check it bafuna. Amulunu we kuralo manu machubugeku. Amulunu we kuralo machubugeku. Amulunu we kuralo manu machubugeku. Amulunu we kuralo machubugeku. Wickedness everywhere. Wickedness, oh well, evil mind, well, jealousy in a man and kitty. You brought this upon yourself. Abulani Talina.
Hey! Who's in there? Who's in my phone? Who's in my phone? Papa! Papa! I am back! I am back! Who's in there? I am back! Who's it? I am back! I am back! I am back! Papa! I am back! Who's it? Papa, is this money for you? Huh? This one is for you. Which one this one is for you. This one is for the household. Please. This. Papa, no. I am back. The country is not too fine. They now call me Wuche Malaysia. Wuche Malaysia. Onye ringgit. Wuche, please don't do this. Don't do this, Wuche. Wuche, please don't. Too much money. Too much money. This is my prayer. The west, the north, and the south. Let them know that I am back with too much money. Papa, you're welcome. Oh, is this Eunice? Hey, nice to meet you too. Hey, Uche. Hi. Wait, let me call Vigilante. Before something starts happening. Yes, sir. Come inside. Papa, let me call Vigilante. Your son is back. Uche,
Papa.
You now go on good.
Papa, I have too much money. They now call me. No, let everybody know because I have too much money. I can settle anything. I can start a problem and end it immediately.
I don't want problem again.
I
am home now. Hey, Roman.
All right, Papa, meet my beautiful.
Yes, she.
Succulent, my queen.
It's not fair, but succulent.
Succulent.
You're welcome home, my daughter.
Meet my father.
Yes.
I know.
Hi.
I'm so happy to meet you, sir.
Me too. I know you people would have been tired and famished. Let's go inside. Let me.
That reminds me. What about Mama? Where is she?
Mama, don't worry. Let's go inside.
I hope she has stopped all her troubles.
I hope so.
Papa, go. Papa, follow my lead.
No, please, don't
follow my lead.
Don't throw again.
Uche Malaysia is back. Let them know that I am back. Papa, follow my lead. Let's go. Follow my lead. Let's go. Follow my lead. Let us go. Walk on the money. Walk on the money. Papa, don't pick any money. Walk on it. There are more from where it's coming from. Walk on it, Papa. I will disgrace you with money. Walk on it. Let us go inside.
Please, no security man.
Papa, no security man. My father is a clown. Papa, let's go inside. Too much money. Too much money. Let us go inside. I know. Uche Malaysia is back. Is that why you brought me out here? Papa, educated what? Eh? How could you? But I trusted you. I trusted you. How could you keep such information, such vital information away from me? After all the money I spent, after everything. In fact, I want to say this immediately. Come. Sit down. Uche, sit down.
Easy. You will see Ejike. We are going there. Eh? But I must warn you. Don't make trouble when we get there. The entire village is seriously behind him. Are you hearing me? I am just waiting until our Igwe is finally buried. Then I will banish him.
But I don't care whatever anybody thinks. I don't care. I don't give a fuck about it. I don't care. What I want to do right now is to see Ejike with my 2 eyes. I want to see him.
Hey,
my love.
looking for you.
Yes.
So, who are we going to see? I thought we were going to see your mom from here.
Yes. We are going to see my mom, your mother-in-law.
Okay, and after that, we're going to see my mom.
Sure.
Yes, sure. Yes. Let me lock the house properly. But don't throw money as we go, please. I don't want trouble. Let me lock the door. Are you with your khaki? Yes. Let me lock the door. Yes, we are going to see.
I like your dad already. He's so nice.
He likes it too. Let's go.
All right.
Papa, hurry up.
So stop this your busy body. Stop this your evil act. Makane bwachala nuwa achala neto. Wanem abuluni talina abuluni tali baba. Check it wafuna malumi ba malogi anobanaki baba. Abuluni tali baba. Check it wafuna anobanaki baba. Check it wafuna. Check it wafuna.
This is the house.
He's here. Wait, let me call them. He's here. Let me call. Ejike.
The son is cute.
Yes. But he looks so much like Papa. And you, how come you never told me about your traditional marriage?
Oh, there was no point. I mean, you were out of the country, so there was no point telling you.
Oh no, but at least you could have told me. I would have assisted you, maybe financially.
Assisted me? Financially? Why? I didn't ask you for money. I have my own money. What do you mean by that?
You have your own money?
Yes.
Where's your money?
Hey!
Mama.
Always woke me up from sleep.
Hey! Mama. How are you?
I'm fine.
I missed you.
I miss you more.
Good to see you again. This is Malaysian spec. Yes.
Hey! No.
Thank you. Where is HK's wife?
I'm just coming from upstairs and I just saw my sister. I mean, and she's married to AGK. I'm confused. Mom, you didn't even tell me she was married and she already has a baby. I'm confused. What's going on here?
Mama. What? Did you know about this?
Mom, can you tell me what happened? I'm confused.
No, just relax. Yeah? You know you just came in. You just came back.
But Mom, I'm relaxed. I need to understand what is going on here.
Uchenna, there is something I must tell you.
I'm all ears, Papa.
My sons, I want us to talk this thing amicably. Uche, I was seriously under pressure. The pressure of becoming an Onowu. And there is nowhere I will become an Onowu of Amadi without my son getting married. Of course you are aware. Ejike was not forthcoming with the idea of getting married. And you cannot be in far away Malaysia and come down home, because I tried my best for you to return. At least any of the holidays you do observe there. At an extent, I discovered that it is not possible. And then I decided to do a marriage by proxy, so that Ejike will stand in for you and Ego will stand in for Eunice. We did not know that Ego is Ejike's girlfriend. We did not know. As we speak now, Eunice is not yet your wife. Yes, until another traditional wedding is performed. But what I'm saying is I want peace to reign in my family. Peace. That's what I want. Uche, peace. Because do. It was pressure. I can't say it is totally my fault. It is pressure. Oh no, Papa Cambro no. Papa Cambro no.
Isn't he my husband? I mean, we got married traditionally. Ego stood in for me. Isn't that what happened? Right? That was what happened, right?
Eunice, a lot of things happened. Things did not go the way we planned it. But there is a part that I did not understand. Ego, did you know that Uche is Ejike's younger brother? Did you know?
I know him. Hi! I know him, Mama, but
You know, and you did not tell me. You hid it away from me, your own mother.
It's nothing like that, nah. When I know him, he rates him. Nothing knowing how to tell him that's the time.
Oh, okay, Mom. I don't understand what's going on. What is she talking about?
The truth is, you know, Ego was supposed to stand for you.
Yeah, that's
while Ejike was supposed to stand for Uche.
You're correct, yeah.
But unfortunately, they took advantage of the whole thing and claimed that the traditional marriage was meant for them. So they took it as theirs.
I'm confused, Mom. I'm trying to grasp what you're saying. I can't get anything at all.
Ego is your sister, right?
Yes,
She betrayed you. That is the truth. She betrayed you. And Ejike betrayed Uche.
I'm still trying to... I'm still trying to understand the whole thing. I can't grasp anything at all what you're saying. I just can't.
Ejike, what did you say? Huh? You are sorry? No. Did you just say you are sorry? Eh? So you decided to use me and repay Papa for everything he did to you. Okoya? Why? Why will you make me the sacrificial lamb?
Uchenna, because all my life I have been a sacrificial lamb to you. Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
True or false?
No, is that what you are saying?
True or false?
Eh? After everything I did for you.
Who was supposed to go to Malaysia?
After everything I did for you. Eh?
What do you do?
All my money, my Malaysian ringgits. You are still talking. You are still talking.
Listen,
Papa. Tell your son to keep quiet right now before I arrest him. If you say anything, I will arrest you right now. And you will sleep in the cell forever. You will be there forever. What more says Edda brother?
Who was supposed to go to Malaysia?
You are just, I will kill him. I will kill this boy now, Papa.
You want me to die?
Papa, I will kill this boy now.
I will die here if people want me to die.
Papa,
I will just die here.
Papa, instead of you to be Papa, tell this your useless boy to apologize properly.
Papa,
I will stay with this boy here now.
Papa, hold this boy. I will beat this boy up like a child now.
You quickly. If you say anything right now again, Papa, if your son opens his mouth and say anything right now, I swear, Makachuku, I will arrest
How can you do that to me? How can you do that?
You coming down yourself. You speaking plenty English, you nothing understanding. Mama, since you burning me, everything good you giving her. Free education you giving her. Going America you giving her. Every good thing, appointment, everything you good you giving her.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Your sister does not deserve that. She has been good to us, to all of us.
Mama, me, I'm not a sacrificial lamb, no. I'm not a sacrificial lamb, nothing using me to put in lights.
Lies. You were aware of everything from the beginning. You were the one that suggested it to my son, just like Chika, your friend, told you to do.
It's nothing true. But what is your problem now? You imagine again now, you imagine.
There is no point pretending. I was there when you told my husband everything. I saw you. Oh, you don't want them to know about the affair? Eh? You don't want them to know? Oh, I will tell them myself.
What?
I should say it.
What is going on?
I don't think asking you to talk it for me now.
No, let me say it so that I will say it myself. If you don't want to say it, I will say it myself.
Wait. What is happening here? What is going on?
I'm confused.
Eh? You don't want to say it.
Mama, eh?
What is it? Why are you looking at the ground? Face me and tell me it's a lie.
Something that funny.
Face me and tell me what happened. What is happening? What is going on here?
Okay, let me say it.
It happening 1 year ago.
Chop meat, drink. You told me you love it. Palm wine.
I love it.
You are of it. No.
He's shooting me.
And he's shooting you. Wait, let me add more. Eh? Chop. Are you liking it? I will say it's sweeting you. Drink pan one. That's why I bring it for you. Oh! Hey! It's sweeting you. You see, I will give you more. More Nkobi. Bush meat. Everything.
They're still bringing it?
They will bring it.
You kill me today.
I will not kill you. I will kill you softly. Don't do that.
Are you eating it like this one? Not telling me how to eat my food.
It's okay. So,
Listen now.
You don't need to worry. There is toothpick in it.
Taking it. Removing that thing.
I should remove it.
Remove it. Eating something you wanted to eat.
No, it's all right. So, like I said before, you don't need to worry yourself. You will go and see Ejike. Very soon, when we finish here. I will be giving you. Very sweet.
Your own?
There is sunga.
It's sweeting.
There is sunga in my own. Sunga and honey. So, when we finish here.
I'm feeling.
You don't need to be afraid.
Not even eating again.
No, now, what is the problem? I told you that nobody will see you here. You see this place? This part of Amadi. Don't be afraid. They cannot see you. This part of Amadi is very far from the outskirts. This place, you see this place we are saying? It is a boundary between Amadi and Umujike. So relax.
You sure?
Relax. Drink.
This place are nothing safe. I'm nothing okay. Nothing.
Everything is okay. You see this place? I plotted it. Everything is okay.
Not clean my teeth.
You see, when we finish here now, I want you to come to the house. My wife will go to the market at Umuze, and she will not come back until nightfall. So that we'll have enough time to
I'm not doing it.
I push you.
What if we're doing it now? Your wife Ejike catch up.
No, you don't understand.
I'm not wanting again.
Tomato juice. You see, let me tell you something. You see, Ejike, nothing will make Ejike to leave his shop to come to this place. Ejike's head is like a former bread and the Wachuku bread. I know him very well. My wife will not come to the house until nightfall. In fact, it is what I formed. It is a constitution. Nobody comes to look for me until in the evening.
Okay, you're talking that one now. Or what the one my friend they talking? What you say now? You talking you forgetting it and you wanting this one. I'm not giving you.
You will give it to me. This one is important, and that one is also important. If Ejike capitalizes on his brother's traditional marriage and marries you instead, Uchenna, my son, will feel bittered and betrayed by his brother Ejike. But if it eventually happens, it makes us closer lovers. Don't you think so?
You're not serious.
I am serious. Very serious. This is why I call.
I'm giving you this thing because you're talking your voice.
My voice is sweeting you. What I like mostly is your English. You talk English. This is what we call Queen Elizabeth English.
You liking my English?
Very, very well.
You liking it?
I like it.
You see, Ejike, you're not liking my English.
Is
He telling me every time, nothing getting brain, nothing getting sense.
It's his own brain that is all for my bread. Magical bread, that is what his brain is all about. That's why I say, leave Ejike. Come to me. Oh yeah, that is Hilbert. Do you like that English?
I love it.
Oh yeah, that is Hilbert. I will make you
rest.
Oh yeah, Hilbert. Oh yeah, it's Hilbert. That is you will be having labor. And my power will make it. My own is Isunga. I should put it to your mouth.
Only making me sweeting too much.
It's sweeting too much. I like you. You see why I call you Oyibo Pepe? Tomato juice. I'm serious. Very serious. It will make us closer lovers. Oh, don't you think so?
You're not too serious.
I'm serious. Hey, you better make one zero. You see why I call you tomato juice? Eh? From head to toe, nothing is different. No black. Let me match myself. Black and white. It's going to switch. Ngwa, drink.
That is how it happened.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Does your husband know you're having an affair with his father? Does he have an idea? Say something!
He doesn't know.
How could you? Your supposed father-in-law. How can you be sleeping with him?
Sorry, I'm not meaning to doing it. You know, me not going to school. My body not going to school.
Why, Ego, eh? Your supposed father-in-law.
Branded child.
Ego.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Please. I'm sorry, Mama. I wanted myself now. I wanted myself. You know, I'm not going to school. The body not going to school. No, Mama.
Ego, I am asking you.
You know, you're not putting. No.
Google.
You're cutting it. It's like you're not cutting it well.
Did you hear her? She said you did not cut it.
Shut up! I'm not talking to you.
So it's your fault. It's all your fault.
Ego, you cutting it. I cutting it. You cutting it. Then why is your whole body sweetening you? Get this everything out of me,
I don't know what is doing the body. You know, my head is not going to school. The body following it not to go to school.
Hey!
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry.
Hey! Where
Go stupidity.
I'm sorry.
Father and son. So.
Hey!
I can't breathe.
Hey!
I can't breathe.
Hey!
I can't breathe.
See what in my body is causing for me now. What is wrong with my body?
Sorry.
No.
Google.
You cutting it when you're not cutting it well.
Then why is... I'm not cutting it well.
No, you cut it.
She said you did not cut it.
I didn't ask you anything.
So it's your fault.
I cutting it.
You cutting it well.
Then why is your body sweetening you anyhow? Oh, you did not go to school. Your body did not go to school. Ika.
I can't breathe. Listen, sorry. I'm not meaning to do it. I'm not knowing what you're doing me. I'm not knowing what you're doing. My body not going to school. I'm sorry.
Used my complete tools on your head, I would have broken your head right now.
Papa, I am respecting you. I am respecting you. If this boy says anything again, I will get him arrested.
Papa, when is this boy leaving my house?
Which house?
Papa, when is this boy leaving my house?
Which house?
Huh? Papa, tell this boy to leave my house.
Look at this unfortunate pig. Which house?
This is my house.
Which? Papa, they are calling me.
My house.
No, let me just speak it.
The whole world is watching me. I'm an agent.
The policemen are calling me.
I am an agent.
How did you go to Malaysia?
I am an agent in the church.
How did you go to Malaysia?
Let me give them the address.
If I had gone, would you have gone?
The whole world is watching me. I am an elder in the church.
Let him keep quiet.
I am an elder in the church.
Let him keep quiet.
I am an elder in the church.
Somebody will die.
Very close to the altar.
Else
somebody will die.
I would have used my complete tools on your head now.
I can't see him.
You better wear it, oh, because you better wear it. So
I can't see anybody.
Because the next time you look at me, I'll use my hammer on your head.
I'm not meaning to do it. I'm not knowing what you're doing me. I'm not knowing what you're doing. My body not going to school. I'm sorry.
So I asked for the last time. Did your husband have an idea that you were sleeping with his father?
What did I hear? What did you say?
Answer me. Did he know you were sleeping with his father?
Huh? Wait, which father?
Ndukwe. You don't know who's Ndukwe again?
My father slept with you?
I saw him. Ejike, don't be so surprised yet. Because the next thing that will eventually make you jump out of your skin is if she opens up to tell you that your father equally got her pregnant. Granddad child. Okay, my boss is there.
Sound is a lie. Ego. See no say. Is it true?
Why?
It's three lies. I don't even know again.
Waiting first, nah?
You're very, very sweet.
Waiting first, waiting.
I should wait first.
Waiting, I'm talking something important.
Oh yeah, talk it. I am everything.
What are you talking about this pregnancy now? You're not saying anything, I'm telling you since.
Yes, but I thought you said the pregnancy is just 1 week.
In 1 week, I'm telling you in 1 month too.
Oh, 1 month.
In 1 month too, in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks. What is the difference now? No, tell me, what is the difference now?
You know that in just next week now, you and Ejike will stand in for Uchenna in marriage. So I want you to cooperate too. Cooperate very well.
What you talking? You making me angry anytime you talking like this. I'm telling you, I'm not standing in. I'm marrying Ejike.
Yes, you are marrying. Yes, it's marrying. You are marrying, that one is good. You are marrying.
So what you wanting me to do now? You wanted me to making it looking like Ejike getting having the baby?
Well, of course. Or do you want to tell him?
God forbid it. God forbid it.
God forbidding it. God forbidding it. Don't ever tell him. Don't ever try anything like opening your mouth wide that this my child is his own. It's going to cause contamination. You know what is contamination?
What is a legal contamination?
It's okay. You know you are very sweet, Yeah, Jinty.
Leaving me.
You are very sweet. Is that she leaving you? But that time you are telling me to now I'm to be leaving you. I will not leave you.
Waiting first.
Hey! Go.
The child.
Hey!
Granddad child.
Who probably gonna order?
Did I lie? That body should be burnt. That body that didn't go to school should be burnt. Okay, why Oko?
Ego, after everything I told you about my father, you slept with him. Ego, the child is not mine.
No, my body not going to school. I not wanted to do it.
You said what?
Is the body nothing wise? Sorry.
You didn't see the color of the child. How can the two of you have that kind of child?
Hey! Why,
Hey!
Papa!
Hey, Mama, what do you mean?
Go, Mama me.
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm not wanting to do it. I'm not know what you're doing me. I'm not wise. I'm not having sense. The body is stupid thing. I don't know it.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Shut up and stop making noise! You still have the mouth to talk!
Mom, I want to ask something. You mean everything Uche paid to marry me is a waste?
No, you're nothing wasting, no. You're nothing wasting. You're using it for me. You're nothing wasting, nah. How are you wasting? What do you mean? No. What are you saying? Nothing. What are you trying to tell me? That you betrayed me? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Is that it? Mama, don't tell me to calm down. Do not tell me to calm down. This is partially your fault.
Me? How? You couldn't even tell me. You couldn't tell me, Mom. Why? Why?
I'm sorry, my daughter. I'm sorry. Please, just calm down. Calm down. Eh?
Eunice, where are you going?
Papa! 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 Papa!
Ejike, I'm begging you in the name of St. Peter. Forgive me, eh? Forgive me. I am sorry.
Papa! Papa! Papa, you! This is the 8th one! Papa, this is the 8th time! You defied the woman I wanted to marry!
Papa, we had an agreement. We had an agreement. I said I'll kill you if you do it again.
Are you going to kill me?
I promise I will kill you if you do it again. Papa, say your last prayer.
Are you going to kill me now?
Papa, stay! Right there! Stop! You're not killing anybody. Yes. You want to kill Papa? You want to kill Papa because he slept with a woman? Is that what you want to do?
Uche, yes? Have you gone mad? Are you stupid? Have you gone crazy? Who the hell are you? Do you know who you're talking to? Who the hell are you? Cut off your head now!
Cut off my head. The cut off my head, Malaysian pork.
Uche, this man slept with all the women I have known in my life. He even got this last one pregnant.
My own wife. What is my business? I don't care.
My own wife.
I don't freaking care about anything that happens to you. Because you're useless. Yes. You are supposed to die. I gave you money. But Papa, I won't let me talk to this useless boy. I gave you money. Malaysia don't get. At the point you called me, say, oh, Uche, send me dollars. Send me dollars. I sent you $10,000. Eh? And what did you do? I remember on phone, I was telling you, stand in for me. Stand in for me. And what did you do? You went ahead and married your so-called useless girlfriend. And you're here telling me you want to keep Papa. You want to keep Papa? No, cut him now, let me see you.
I'm mad. May you thunder from heaven strike you dead.
As it's coming down, it will fire you.
You wanted me to marry for you.
Yes.
You wanted me to stand and get married on your behalf.
Of course.
Do you think it's easy?
But it was easy for you to take my money.
What money?
To take my Malaysia ringgit.
What money?
Eh? And then you came up with this.
What proof do you have that you gave me money?
Can you hear this idiot?
I'm going to cut your head.
You cut me.
Yes.
You will cut me.
Mama, what is it?
Enough.
What?
Hi.
Okay. How is it okay?
Ejike, you see, at this point, I want you to move on.
What?
Get a life, marry another. In fact, marry 20.
Mama, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
What did I do now?
It was your fault.
How?
Mama, it was all your fault.
Me?
Yes.
How?
You knew what Papa was doing. You knew what Papa was doing, but you never told me.
If I had told you, you would have rejected these women too, the way you rejected the other 7. And you would have stayed all your life without a wife. You're almost 50 years, not married.
Are you insulting me?
I'm not insulting you, but I'm telling you the truth.
Mama, are you insulting me?
I am not insulting you.
Stand up, stand up. I am over 50 years. Stand up. Mama, stay out of this. Because you're going to die with them. Mama,
no.
Mama, out of it. Stay out of this because I will kill you too. I'm about to commit murder, so I will kill you too. You can't try it. You can never try it. Leave the way. Leave which way? Uche, leave which way? Uche, do you know who I am? Uche, Malaysian burger like me. Uche, leave which way? Uche, I'm going to call you. No, leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Papa, leave him. Leave. Papa,
Kill me, instead.
try it.
Kill me.
Try it. No, come closer now.
Okay.
Come closer. Let me pierce you this. What is this? This is Malaysian sword.
Oh,
Malaysian sword.
You think we sell suya here?
Have you been to Malaysia before?
You think we sell suya
Have you been to Malaysia before?
I'll cut
We don't have suya there. They don't have suya there. Idiots. Village park. Uche. Village boy. Uche. Papa, stay here. Uche. I'll close your neck. I will pierce you with this Malaysian sword.
Kill me
Mama,
instead.
Papa,
I want you people to
Mama, leave me alone.
Kill me instead.
I don't say
Kill
anything.
me
Mama,
instead.
Papa, don't say anything. This is your fault.
It's her fault. It's her fault, this woman.
Come closer.
It's her fault.
Come closer.
Oh. Kill me.
Hey! Body more. Body. What is going on? Step aside! Body. Mama, step aside! Mama, step aside! Have you seen it? Mama, step aside! Mama, step aside! Mama, come here! I thought you forgave your father a long time ago. Mama, step away! Mama, you deaf? I said step out! Mama, leave!
You told me you forgave your father a long time.
Mama, I told you, if I ever forgive this he-goat, you'll be the first person to know. Mama, your son here is a fool. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. You're nothing but a beast. Uche, come forward. Everyone to go now. You went to Malaysia. Let man leave the road. You went to Malaysia because of me. If it wasn't for me, you would not go to Malaysia. Yeah, you can't go.
Are you trying to hit my husband?
You said what? I love come here. See, I'm going to slice you. You will slice me. I'm going to slice you. You will slice me. I'll slice both of you. You can never try. Now, you can never try.
You have to stop all this. For how long will you keep on fighting each other? You are brothers.
Who's my brother?
You are
Who is
brothers.
this shenanigan? My brother. How? Not my brother. From where? I don't know him. I don't know you too. I don't know where. I can never know you. Papa, I can never know you. I said, I don't ever want to see you again. You want to get out of my house. Whose house? Whose house?
Hey.
Papa, you are the one to leave this place.
No.
You are the one to live here because this is my building. Now give me. You want to cut me? Get out of here. Get out of here. You want to cut me? I'll cut your neck. I will stab you. I'll cut your neck. I will stab you. I will stab you. Papa, get out. You're not going anywhere. I said get out. He's not going anywhere. Get out.
Hey, somebody's coming. Please, Biko. Nah. Biko.
Edge, my love. Now, why? Hey, come down, baby.
Thank you. Leave him, please.
Lucky, you're very lucky. Next time you try this nonsense, I will kill you. You're dead.
Biko, who is this?
I don't know.
Who is this?
Nah, because it's okay. He's your brother because because
our blood.
Because not the same blood.
It's
the same blood.
And who are you?
Is where you go?
Who the hell are you?
Where you go?
Or is this one of your girlfriends?
He's not the go.
Who is this?
He's not the go. He's not the go.
Who is this woman?
I don't.
How did you get in here?
My name is Nina. First wife, again. Bikon. I am looking for Ndukwe.
What have you done again? What have you done again? Did you also sleep with her? Is she one of your girlfriends?
I am. Who knows?
Oh, woman, who are you? Who are you?
Ndukwe.
Who are you? I don't know her. Who are you?
How will you know her?
For St. Peter's sake. Oh.
Adendo the hunter visited me with 2 babies. He picked them up from the forest where they were crying helplessly beside their dead mother. He wanted to sell them to me, but I discouraged him and promised to raise one for him, since he didn't have a wife or relative. Adendo later sold one without my knowledge. We had an agreement that after 7 years, he is coming back to take the baby. Then, after 7 years, Adendo came back and took the baby away from me. Since then, I have never set my eyes on either Adendo or the child.
Adendo is the name of my late father, and he was a hunter too.
Are you Umwechi?
Yes, my name is Umwechi.
My daughter, I have been looking for you. Where have you been?
I've been around. Just that my father died. So, out of being alone, I got pregnant out of wedlock for Ndukwe.
Ha! Papa, you didn't pay her bride price.
No, you later paid.
Oh, you later paid?
You later paid. So, for fear of being lynched, for what people will say, I had to go away, go far away, at least to start life anew.
So tell me, how did she die? She died after 3 days. My mother lied to the woman to cover up her pregnancy. She was the first daughter of my mother. So it is believed she was struck by the goddess of justice. Yes. My mother couldn't have been touched because she was the head of Umada.
So you mean your sister died because of me?
Yes, she did.
Sorry. Sorry.
Are you saying Adendo the hunter was not my biological father? My daughter, thank God I found you. It remains your sister. It remains Nenna.
Does that mean I have a sister?
Yes.
Oh. So where are we going to find her? Where are we going to find her?
Nenna. My name is Nenna. Wait. You mentioned Adendo.
Yes.
A hunter. My mother told me a story about a man called Adendo. She said she would tell me the connection I had with him. But unfortunately, she died without completing the story.
I have seen the resemblance. What resemblance? Nenna is your sister.
Wait, no. Wait, are you trying to tell me that she is my blood, my sister?
Yes.
Nenna here.
It's my blood sister.
Nana is your sister.
You are my sister.
Come. Come here. You're my sister.
That is the message that brought me here. A message of peace.
Incest, oh.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Your cousins. What are we going? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
So stop this your busy body. Stop this your evil.
My sons, I want to appreciate your patience through my journey to appease the land. I must thank you people for your understanding and the strength so far. Yes, I know that in no distant time, God in His infinite mercy will provide wives for two of you. That I am sure. Thank you very much. Ejike, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you. I appreciate. In fact, we appreciate. And also, Ejike, you're my brother. My older brother. We are one blood. Please, if there's anything I did to you in the past, please, forgive me.
Oh yes, for forgiving you.
Yes. My money is your money. My house is your house. We are one big happy family. So, I know you are forgiving Papa.
Long time ago, he has done that. I always said I want the people to come so that I will make this remark. In case if I die, you people will continue from where I stopped.
Papa, you're not.
It is a journey of peace.
You're not dying. You're not dying.
I know that. But please, let's toast for long life and prosperity. But then, Maya, let's have a toast. Long life and prosperity.
You see?
Oh yeah, there are a number.
Long life and prosperity.
A toast. Chiko kikabia ma ekene pangi. No Maya, all is well. It is good to be good.
Of course. My good friend, as a matter of fact, yours has become one very big, full and beautiful family. I'm so much happy with you.
Also,
I'm happy for you, my brother.
I tell you most sincerely, everything in life happens for a purpose.
You are right.
That you know.
Oh no, Igwe's final funeral has been performed creditably well.
I'm aware. I remember.
Oh, it's now you are telling me you remember. But you said I should remind you immediately after Igwe's funeral.
Oza.
Have you forgotten?
Oza. I will no longer do such a thing to my first son. Not anymore.
I know you will not. I'm fully aware. Because there's no right-thinking man that will want to lose a son like Ejike. Nobody. Personally, I cannot do that. Oh no!
You're my brother.
You're my friend. Thank you very much.
So stop this your busy body. Stop this your evil act. Makane bwachala nuwa, achala neto. Wanem abuluni talina, abuluni talibaba. Check it off na, malumi ba malogi. Abuluni talibaba. Check it off na. Chukwu ga-ekwu. Amara na uwe kwuru ọnụ na Chukwu